everyone, this is Justin Benz, your Sarasota real estate agent. Today I'm going to show you a buyer's tour of new construction out here in Lakewood Ranch. These lovely clients from Michigan contacted me, saw a bunch of YouTube videos that I was putting out, helpful content for them. And now it's time to get serious, so they reached out and we're going to go through a number of different communities today. I got 5 on the list and we're going to take notes and see what we can do together. Our very first stop today is at Lorrain Lakes, which is a Lennar build here in Lakewood Ranch. They have a number of different floor plans. Here you see the 5 or 6 different furnished models that you can tour when you show up at Lennar. They also have a different section with townhomes now that they're releasing. So anywhere from the high threes to upwards of $750K you're going to find for the single family homes. And what's probably the biggest draw of Lennar and this community here at Lorrain Lakes is its amenities, which you get to see here in the drone shot. They have everything you can imagine: pickleball, tennis, outdoor basketball, indoor basketball, putting green, multiple pools, splash pad, workout center, lap pool, beach volleyball, shuffleboard, and probably a number of other things. It's also a fully staffed clubhouse with a pool bar and a restaurant. So really, really special place. You don't see anything like this in the other communities we're about to see. And here's just a little peek of the front elevation of one of the furnished models here. And of course, we're going to take a look inside just to show you how they do it here at Lennar. These are all pre-packaged finishes, so you don't get a choice to customize, but that's also reflected in their price, which is very good for the size and quality of a home you get here. Of course, if you have any questions and you want to see full videos, just reach out to me. I'll put my number in here. Our second stop on today's tour is Sweetwater, just down the road. This is an MI Homes community. Here you get to see some of the models. They have 3 furnished models. For single family homes, they also have 2 villa models that you can visit. Price range is anywhere from about $450 to $800K on the base price. Keywords being base price. You know, these quickly add up once you start getting into the structural and design options, and some of these pool designs here that you see, that's in another $100K easy. So a lot of the homes in this community are actually over $1 million. There was one that was in the price range for these buyers, which is a quick move-in home. It was the Arlington model, and it was about $600K all in. And of course, any tour wouldn't be complete without a little peek inside one of the furnished models here. Sweetwater, in my opinion, is known for higher end finishes than a lot of the other builders. You can kind of tell. That's where they spend a lot of their time, is in the quality and the finishing touches. At least in the models here, that's how they look, and it kind of is reflected on the price point, Sweetwater being one of the more expensive communities of the ones we're going to see today. Our third stop is also just down the street here. It is by Taylor Morrison. This is Park East at Azario, another national builder. Here you find some of the single family furnished models that you can visit when you show up here and talk to the sales folks. They have price ranges anywhere from about $475 up to about $822, depending on the options and stuff like that. And same story, if you get a pool, it's going to obviously cost you more. If you get high-end finishes, it's going to cost you more. But here you get a little look at some of the water features that they have kind of intertwined into the community, which is very popular here in Lakewood Ranch. And of course, if you're going to pay an HOA, you better hope they have some sort of amenities, which they do. Here you get a little bit of a flyover of the play fields, kind of a dog park, kids playground, basketball court, beach volleyball, and of course the resort style pool next to the soccer field there. And here's just a little sneak peek inside one of the models. Obviously pretty nice finishes, being a furnished model and all. Nice spacious kitchen, open-ish floor plan, and of course your outdoor kitchen with a beautiful outdoor seating area and pool to go with it. Our fourth stop today was Solera. This is a D.R. Horton community in Lakewood Ranch. Here you see the quote-unquote amenities, which is basically your pool. It's a community pool, resort-style pool. You get to see some of the water retention ponds there in the drone shot. And as we fly through the community, you do see fairly large homes. So that's one of the biggest draws about this community is the variety in home styles and the budget. So there's a good number of floor plans, and it does keep your budget down. It's anywhere from about $425 up to about $700,000. Also known for its super low HOA fee, Solera is a good rental option for investors. Here you get to take a look inside one of the furnished models. Again, D.R. Horton does packages, so basically everything is pre-chosen. When you go under contract, you get to choose from a couple different packages typically, and that keeps their costs down. And our fifth and final stop is Sapphire Point. This is a Pulte Homes community here in Lakewood Ranch. There's a couple other Pulte Homes communities, Shoreview, which is more higher end, a little bit further south. But this community does have a good number of floor plans, anywhere from about $400,000 up to $850,000 on the base price. Again, as soon as you start adding pools and design options, structural changes, high-end finishes and stuff, you could easily be looking at a home over $1 million here. Here you get to see some of the elevations from the back end. They do have these nice tile roofs. Some folks have pools, some have yards. Here you see a flyover of the different floor plans here at Sapphire Point. And of course, no community would be complete without an amenity center. This drone shot was actually taken right before it was completed, so the pool doesn't have water in it, but pretty good amenities, pretty low HOA for a new build community here in Lakewood Ranch. Here you get to take a look at one of my personal favorite floor plans, the Mystique. See some of the finishes here inside, nice open floor plan. And being a semi-custom builder here in Sapphire Point, Pulte allows you to choose your designs and finishes. So just keep that in mind. You will go to a design center and take a look at different options. And there you see that corner slider, which is one of my favorite things Pulte does. So that's a pretty good summary of these 5 different communities here in Lakewood Ranch. Of course, there are just numerous other communities. I tailored this search specifically around the budget and the home and amenities criteria that these specific buyers needed. And I can do the same for you. So if you have seen stuff that you're interested in on my YouTube channel or otherwise online, just shoot me a text, shoot me a call, shoot me an email. I will drop my contact information right here. And that way I can kind of set up more customized search options and tours for you specifically to help you along your home buying journey. That's what I'm here for. I'm a resource, and I'm also a very good realtor here in the area. You can trust me to get the job done. So I look forward to helping you. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. That'll keep you guys up to date with latest happenings, and I hope to hear from you soon.